I'm Sean Watkins. I'm with the Floating Lab Collective. I found that what you guys are doing is so interesting and very in line with what we do as the Floating Lab Collective, that I wanted to extend to you one of our notes of exchange, or actually called bills of exchange, in our piece that what we're handing around to as many people as we can. The idea behind it being that inside are 5 notes or bills that we distribute to individuals who we find exemplified that sort of idea of contributing back in a different way, off the grid, participating in an idea that isn't so rigid in capitalism, consumerism, a different way of doing things, okay? And I found that this is a nice way of rewarding or saying thank you by handing one of these bills of exchange along to somebody like your group. The idea being that then the comment of what I'm talking about, what you did that make it so interesting to me, I write on this sort of inter-office envelope, then hand it over to you for you to continue this process to the next person, until the next 5 or the next 4 spaces have been filled in. The envelope is then sealed and returned to us with all of your inter-office comments on the back of it, which we're going to present in a show in Washington, D.C. in December. We like to think of ourselves as also contributing to cultural currency, to different ways of economies existing without having to, like I said, adhere to such rigid kind of corporate, kind of capitalist, consumerist ways that are unsustainable. And so we're finding more and more people who are participating in this, and we are kind of new to that, but we've been doing this sort of cultural awareness, cultural economics projects, being out there with groups of people and contributing to them, and we find that this is really satisfying to us. And so the whole project idea, I keep holding it upside down, the hands that work together are the icons on here, and the hands represent everybody who's actually doing work and getting paid for it in something other representational than cash, dollars, money. Okay, so it really means it's an extension of what we have been doing for some time.